The M100 6.3 is completely disassembled. It's ready to go to the machine shop tomorrow for total rebuilding. These pistons will not be being reused. We're actually getting custom made ones to remain high compression in a larger bore diameter. There is some corrosion in a couple of the cylinders, that's why we're having to go oversize. Transporting this massive engine is a lot easier when it's disassembled. All of these little components are actually very heavy on their own, and when you add them up into a complete unit, it's absolutely ridiculous. There's some minor damage to the sump as well. This is the crankshaft. That itself weighs an absolute ton. The sump will get refurbished. As you can see, it's absolutely disgusting on the inside. So it will come back looking like new after this. Astonishingly, the M100 block fits in the backside of this small economy car that I'm using to take it up to the machine shop tomorrow. Astonishingly, there is even still movement in the suspension. This isn't as heavy as it looks. Myself and a friend were comfortably able to lift it.